Reputation is extremely important. You're really only as good as the last house you built.
It's a lot of work. Our philosophy is to build a house that will last 100 years.
It's very important to have an attention to detail.
With any client, the trust just has to be there from the beginning.
What I like working with Andersen is the wide selection, the service, the performance. We just really have never had an issue.
With Andersen Windows, the reputation is amazing.
We just know that we can rely on them and they're not going away.
Quality, consistency, that's why Andersen has customers for life.
There's thousands of components in building a house. We choose Andersen Windows because every single detail matters.
We're committed to helping pros craft their legacy. Andersen Windows and Doors.